but like why? Like try to avoid it if it is possible. Okay, very much required because it is going to really, let's see, man, how it is happening and where it will go through. It's going crazy. Chalo. So we will be inviting Sumant to start with. Okay, so Sumant was again season 2 member. And कहाँ पे है सुमंत? आजा. Okay. So you might be like, ये बंदा right? Season 4 guys, you might not even know his name. Sometimes random might drop a few things. Hey Sumant, hi.
Hey bro, very good morning.
Good morning. Nice and bright face. Good.
Yes,
Okay, so
yes.
just giving some intro about Sumant, you might be like, ये कौन कहाँ से पकड़ के लेके आ गए? For example, setting. So Sumant was a season 2 member basically, and yeah, he completed the entire season 2, and after that he's connected. So he was in Germany, so because of that, time zone issues were there. But remember, guys, when the season 2 was happening, we used to wake up at like 5:30 at that time as well and show up. In his time, it was midnight, roughly 3 a.m. or so. But still, he never missed a session. He never missed a 10 p.m. session as per IST time. He never missed the morning session, despite being 3 a.m. every day in the morning. Okay, and that shows the commitment, dedication, hunger. And then after that, so now he needed to align his routine based on his time zone, basically. So that's where from season 3, season 4 onwards, he did that adjustment. But still he's connected, he's putting in the effort. So thank you, Suman, for doing all that thing. So now Aja, so now everybody knows you basically. So chalo, let's get started. What do we have here, Suman?
Yeah, thank you,
Mm.
bro. Hey guys, very good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah, hope everyone is good, doing good and very safe.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, yeah. I would like to share my experiences by reading, by habituating the reading books. Uh, it's completely changing my thought process, guys. By reading, I have come across different kinds of books. I would like to tell those names. Some of the books was
Okay, just one second. Let me put up a proper plan for this so that everybody is in the same context. Okay, team. So basically, Sumant is going to. Okay, so he has actually passed through a lot of phases. He personally is very much into the self-exploring learning and stuff like that. Okay, and yeah. So as part of that, this guy has read a lot in the past, and even after being connected with our life transformation, we had these mandatory tasks. Okay, the basic need of today, okay, is to understand ki bhai, how reading can actually benefit in your life. I've shared my experience, my views, but yes, you guys need to get inspired from one another because it's not just one person's game. And like Sumant has actually lived through that journey, so as part of today's session, the value of reading, so that no matter, you might be beginners, many people might be trying to do it first time in their life, but the thing is, this is one mandatory habit which you need to definitely install. And for that reason, many people are showing up so that you understand the value of reading, and like no matter how tough it is getting, at least push one page at a time, two
Yeah,
pages at a time, but keep pushing it. Yeah, Suman, go ahead now. Yes.
yeah, sure, bro. Guys, literally, I fell in love with reading books.
Hmm.
Uh, yes,
That's a
guys.
problem for your wife, okay, by the way.
That I mean, whenever on daily basis, yes, on daily basis, I used to spend more than 1 hour for reading a book. I have come across different books, different Robin Sharma books collections, and Saucy Pro suggested different books like The Magic of Thinking Big, and The Miracle Morning, and The 5 a.m. Club, The Power of Now, and there is count goes on, count goes on. The one thing I have come across, the major learnings I have come across from these books are your thought process is completely going to change. Why? Because I have read so many books, guys, like The Magic of Thinking Big, and the Monk Who Sold His Ferrari, and Who Will Die When You uh, um, like Who Will Cry When You Die. And I have come across all these books. The one thing I have learned is everything is related to our thought process and our mind. Once we life is all about uh, life is all about 10% is about life is all about 10% is about how you think, and 90% is how you react. Yes, guys.
Mm-hmm.
If you can manage your mind, and if you can control your, if you can command your mind, everything is in your control. Whatever you wish for, you are going to achieve it. After reading all these kind of books, my thought process got changed, and my literally speaking, literally I'm telling guys, if any problem comes, okay, let it be. I'm ready to face it. Earlier, I used to think like, earlier I used to think like, oh man, problem now. Oh, okay, fine. I used to think like, I used to get a fear after habituating reading books, and my thought process got changed. If any problem comes, okay, I'm welcoming all the problems. Okay, I'm ready to face all the problems, whatever it comes. I'm ready to handle it. I'm ready to tackle the things, whatever it may be. And the one and
Mm.
yes, I would like to. And after reading these books, I come to know about what I am capable of as a human being. Earlier, I used to think like earlier I used to think like I have limited beliefs, guys. Earlier, after reading these books, I come to know about my willpower. I come to know about how I am unlimited. How I am limitless. I have inner. I come to know about my inner powers, and I come to know about inner powers. I have come across different books like The Magic of Thinking Big. This book is going to give some guidelines to the. Uh, uh, think as wild as you can, or think as big as you can. If you can dream big, whatever you wish for, you are going to achieve it. Once you have a faith on once you guys have a faith on you, parallelly once you guys taking planned action, if you guys are going to take or determine, if you guys are going to take proper action towards your goals, you are going to get whatever you wish for into your life. These are the things I have learned from these. And when it comes to, I would like to summarize, I would like to share my learnings from the different books, like different Robin Sharma book collections, The Monk Who Sold His Ferrari. Literally, I come to know by reading this book, I come to know about what is the purpose of my life, what is the existence of my life in this planet, in this universe. Literally, I'm sincerely requesting you guys, please go through this book. Please go through this book in our lifetime. After reading this book, I will come to know about what you can capable of and what is the true purpose of life. And the Robin Sharma is a very extremely very good author, guys. His words literally touches to your heart. After I used yeah, and by from these from and apart from these, I have read so many books. I have read almost all of his writings, major writings like Who Will Cry and When You Die, and the 5 a.m. Club and Family Wisdom. Like there are count goes on, and the major learnings are whatever we are following. I mean, Tosi Bro is suggesting us to follow up on daily basis, like writing a journal, visualizing your goals on daily basis, and writing a gratitude list, and writing a gratitude list, and taking an action over taking an action over towards your goals on daily basis for 1 hour, or depends on our available depends on our time, so depends upon our time. And splitting up your goals into small parts. Suppose, for example, in a year, if you're supposed to achieve something towards your career, or financial something towards your career, divide that into certain tasks. Suppose, for example, if you can divide those things, if you divide those certain goals into for this yearly, generally we do have 4 quarters. If you can, for this quarter, I have to achieve this. If you can write it on the paper or journal on daily basis, if you're supposed to visualize, and if you're supposed to take action towards our goal, all these things are all these. I have learned all these things. I have learned all these things from these books, Robin Sharma's book collection. After reading these books, I come to know about the true purpose of my life, what I am capable of, and the gratitude, guys. Suppose, for example, wherever we are in our life, I mean, on daily basis, we have to thankful to the we have to thankful to the uh, we have to thankful to the universe. I mean, suppose, for example, whatever we have in our life, I mean, we have to thankful to the universe, and then only we are going to achieve more. Then only we are going to attract more things into our life, whether it is happiness, abundance, health, wealthy, whatever it may be. We are going to attract more things into our life. If you have, if you feel gratitude, if you show off your gratitude towards whatever you have in our life at present. And the next one is I have read The Secret, the magical book, guys. Once you read this book, you will come to know about uh, uh, you guys will come to know about the magic of I mean, you guys will come to know about the power of human brain. I mean, the power of human brain, or the power of subconscious mind. Here in this book, I would like to share my learnings. In this book, I have learned whatever you wish for, if you can believe it, and if you can believe it, and if you can feel like it's already existed in our life, and and going forward, and it is going to comes into our life, whatever it may be. If you can take proper action towards that specific thing. I have learned this technique, and this book is completely changed my thought. This book is completely changed uh, my thought process and everything. Whatever I wish for, I'm going to I'm going to applying the things whatever the author taught us in this book, the by Arhonda Ben. Uh, and the next one is I have come across the magic of thinking big, and I have come across Sadhguru's inner engineering also. Yes, when it comes to inner engineering, it is written by Sadhguru, and in this book, the Sadhguru teaches us. He teaches us in the earlier days how he was, and after practicing after practicing some yogic. I mean, after starting practicing yoga in his life, how his life has changed. He explained everything before practicing yoga, after practicing yoga, and he explained about all the purpose of he explained about the purpose of our life, what we have to do as a human being, and what we have to and what we can. I mean, he simply taught us, if you practice yoga, if you practice yoga, and whatever we wish for, we are going to achieve it we are going to achieve it. And if you can I have come across all these around 10 plus books. I have come across all these 10 books. Everything is related to our subconscious mind. Everything is related to our subconscious mind and our thought process related. Once our thought process is in our control, everything is you are going to attract whatever you wish for into our life. These are the learnings. These are the major learnings I have come across, and and I would like to share a few more learnings also. We are on daily basis. We are following it up also. Feeding subconscious mind with the affirmations, positive affirmations. If we're supposed to feed our subconscious mind with the positive affirmations, like whatever you wish for. Suppose, for example, would like to become powerful in our life, like I am powerful, like I am limitless, I am healthy, I am wealthy. Like if you're supposed to feed our subconscious mind with these kind of affirmations on daily basis before going to sleep, and once you wake up early in the morning, if you're supposed to do all these kind of stuff, all these things are going to register and trigger in our subconscious mind. Our life is going to become how can I say, um, highway. No one is going to stop us. If you're supposed to, yes, these are the major learnings I have come across, and I can say that, guys, after reading all these books, uh, literally, I'm feeling like I can achieve anything in my life. I can achieve anything in my life, whatever I wish for. Whether it is career perspective or financial perspective or contribution perspective or adventurous perspective, whatever I wish for, whatever I dreamt, and I have along with this, I'm along with this, I am daily basis. I am watching the impact theory videos. I have so far I have watched around 10 plus videos by impact theory. Guys, literally these videos are literally going to teach us so many new things. I have come across I have watched Dr. Joy Dispenza. By watching his video, I come to know about we can see our future, guys. I have seen his video in impact theory. I was literally wondered how we can how we can see our future at present. I literally wondered. Believe it, guys. We have the uh, we have the uh, supernatural powers. Everything is in us. If you can energize our if you can energize ourselves, whatever wish for, if you can do all these practices, whatever we are doing, like uh, meditating and visualizing our goals and all these kind of stuffs, guys. If we can supposed to if we can consistently continue this process within a span of 6 months, whatever you wish for, you are going to attract into your life. Why? Because within the span of 3 months, I'm observing, guys. Suppose, for example, if a thought comes into our mind, if a thought comes into mind, and simply whatever I wish for, those things are coming into my life. I'm practically applying those strategies and techniques, what I have learned from these book collections, different book collections, different from different others. So, and I have come across, and I have watched Gary Vanrich. If you Gary Vanrich videos also, Gary Vanrich impact theory video also. And whenever I felt low in a day, straight away I used to go to the YouTube. I used to watch his videos. Literally, guys, my literally, whenever I watch his videos, literally I used to get goosebumps. His words literally triggers to my subconscious mind. No, no, no! I have to do it. I have to do it. I have to do it. I used to, I used to think like my thought process completely changing day by day. Day by day, it is improving. It is a long run, guys. Life is a long run. On daily basis, we have to improve ourselves. We have to improve, even whether it is a 0.5% or 1% or 5%, whether it is, we have to improve ourselves on daily basis. If you're supposed to trigger our mind in a such a way on daily basis, you are going to rock this world in the span of 6 months. Once you become that person, no one is going to stop you. No one is going to. No one is literally, guys. I'm telling you, guys, from the past two and a half, 3 months, uh, literally, so far, 20 members of my friends are messaging me. Sumant, my family members also messaging me. Sumant, are asking me something like, Sumant, what happened? What happened to you? Is there anything wrong with you? They're asking me something like, and some of the guys are saying like, you're doing a great job, man. Keep continue the spirit and inspire the people. They're telling me something like that. By that time, I felt like, by that time I felt like I have to do more, and I have to do more, and I have to achieve more. I felt like I have to achieve more. And literally, guys, within the span of 3 months only, I have been come across all these experiences. We're supposed to continue this process throughout our life. Whatever, imagine ourselves imagine ourselves where you are going to become in our life. You can beat Elon Musk. You can beat you can beat Elon Musk, and you can beat great people in our life. Everyone. I mean, well, everyone has this. Everyone is having the same natural powers, guys. If you utilize these, our internal, if you utilize these things, and if you follow up these things consistently, whatever we are following up right now on daily basis, like practicing meditation and journaling, and gratitude and showing gratitude and like visualizing our goals and taking action towards our goals. And if you're supposed to continue all these things, if you continue this journey for going forward, within the span of very short period, we are going to see miracles in our life. And I would like to share one more learning also. I have read Miracle Morning by Miracle. I have read Miracle Morning by Hall Elford. And guys, after reading this book, actually, is in this author is somehow he met with some accident. By the time he gone through some major operation, then he realized that then he come to know about the then he come to know about the inner powers, whatever he wished for. Then he come to know about the inner powers and what a human being can capable of. And it's a really after reading this book, I come to know about where I come to know about if everyone can if he can do it, I can also do it. Whatever everyone is having the same capabilities, and if you can organize the things in a proper way, we can achieve the things. If some other guys are achieving it in 5 years, if we follow these things if we follow these things on daily basis for consistently, we can achieve it in 1 year, span of 1 year. I strongly believe. Why? Because I have been experiencing it in the span of 3 months. I have been experiencing it, and I have been following these techniques and like practicing reading books and reading books. Literally, by these habit literally changed my thought process, and I come to know about where I am. I come to know about where I am, and I literally span of 2.5 months. I'm feeling like I can do anything, whatever it may be, whatever the life throws at me, whatever the life is going to throw stones at me, no matter, I'm ready to face it. I'm going to conquer this world. These are the learnings I have come across from this. And one more thing, guys, whatever the society thinks, don't bother about it. You have one life. We have one life, guys. Don't read history. You are going to create the history book. You are going to create the history.
Awesome, Suman. Gazab, mere bhai. Very good. Beautifully done, man. Awesome.
Yes,
This has been a great journey, yeah? So 3 months. In 3 months, you are here.
Yes, we have one life, guys. Make it more beautiful. And we have to leave our legacy once we are we have to leave our legacy once we leave our plan once we left this planet. I mean, we have to continue our legacy once we left this planet.
क्या बात है. Awesome, Suman. So this was a truly incredible, insightful talk. Entire knowledge you squeezed up in like 30 minutes, and I think many people will get inspired. Like, अपने पुराने बंदे so much into there, like Suman आ गया अपना भाई inspiration वाला. So they are like so much excited already, our old people. And guys, देखो, these are not just talks. Okay, this is what he's experiencing, what he's feeling. Okay, and it can happen only when he believes in that. And how do he believe in such things? By more experiences and trying to learn from other people. And that is where the source comes. By read more, you will get a lot of thought processes. You will apply it in your life. When you apply it, you will see results, and then you will believe in that, and then you have that confidence. By let challenges come and I can do anything.
Yeah.
So that's where it said like knowledge is power, guys. Yes. So he knows what things work, how things work. And the people who have written books, they are not idiots, right? So they have explored a lot, and their entire life learnings, they have given it in the form of books, maybe like 100 rupees. And we don't have that much time to even read that book, guys. So who is in problem here? Okay. And that's where, so people like Sumant, and there are so many people like knows the power of reading, but just not to knowing factor, they apply it. And only when you apply it, then only you become like the thought process of what Sumant is having. And guys, 3 months, if 3 months can bring a person, like, yes, Sumant, I think as part of your earlier talks, you said before life transformation, before our 3 months started, you were a different person altogether.
Yes.
And now you are complete, like 3 months changed the life, yeah?
So whatever the problem comes, I'm ready to face it. That's what I have learned from these books. even the
Yes.
situations go beyond worst. Okay, fine, let it be.
अरे क्या हो गया?
I'm ready to accept the things and I'm ready to conquer this. And you know
Yes. So
what,
guys,
guys?
3 months
All,
can change that. Yes.
yes,
Mm.
all successful people like topmost CEOs, like topmost company CEOs, Satya Nadella, Sundar Pichai, and all these people. I have did some R&D. All these people are common habit, like they are reading book on, they're reading books. They have a habit of reading books on daily basis. So
Yes.
if you're supposed to
Yes.
follow, continue this same spirit, imagine yourself wherever we are. You
Yes.
can
Yes.
conquer the world, and you guys, everyone is going to create the history.
Super. Super. Thanks for all these words, Sumant. Means a lot, and I think you have definitely touched many hearts. You know, people want to do it, but somehow they are not able to convert it into results. And if that is the problem, that will really be a very big problem. So get inspired from Sumant, his
Yes,
learnings. This is not like this is his beliefs. Okay,
yes,
completely what he finds about life, which he have applied, and then that's what he has. He's changed person. He's saying,
yes,
"Hey, give me anything, throw me challenges, and I will fight it through." How do you get this kind of motivation and inspiration? And
yes,
like since 3 months he's saying, that means it's not a some spark which comes for a week and gone. He's living that every single day in his life because he knows the right strategies, he knows how to apply it, and all
yes,
that guidance. From where do you get it, guys? Regular consistent reading habits. So guys,
yes,
I already told you, reading is a lifetime game. Every day reserve some time and read. Your brain will become so sharp, so capable, innovative ideas will come. You will explore more your life in a deeper aspect. And that's where that statement which he said, Ki bhai, why read history? Let's create history. It's going to happen. It's really
yes,
going to happen. Yes,
yes.
yes, yes.
Believe, have faith, and take a proper action towards your goals. Everyone can create an history.
Super, super. Awesome,
Everyone.
Sumant. It was so pleasure. Yeah, it was so pleasure to have you here, man. Okay.
Thank
Super
you.
stuff. And I think it would have really sparked a lot of people. And guys, season 4 people, this could be your future as well if you are right up the game. Don't be so busy to not actually work on what is required to be done in life. Okay. That's the sad part. People are unnecessarily busy in things which will not give them anything in life. Okay. Be busy in your growth in all the wherever you want to go, guys. Be busy in your growth, in your personal development, in your mindset training, in your attitude fixing, in your habit installation. You should be
Yes,
busy on these things as a priority. Your
yes.
remaining life is a byproduct of what you are, basically. Okay. So
And I would
understand
like to
that
tell
this.
one thing. I would like to tell one thing, bro.
Uh-huh.
Uh, yes,
The screen is stuck, Sumant.
yes,
Hello.
yes, yes,
Yes,
bro.
yes. Go
Yes.
ahead. Go ahead.
Uh, oh, once we are in the deathbed, I mean, last stages of our life, we don't have, we won't have any regrets once we look back.
Mm,
Yes.
mm. Yes.
Whatever would like to wish for, do it. There is one life, make it more beautiful, and spread love, kindness towards the society.
Awesome.
Yes,
Awesome.
let's make it more beautiful. You can create. Everyone can create history, guys. I'm going to create the history.
Awesome, Sumant.
Be- Believe, believe yourself. Within the span of 2.5 to 3 months, I'm this version. Tausif bro emerged me Suman 2.0.
Suman 2.0. Great to see that, man.
Yeah. So you
Yeah,
guys,
that's what he's saying, guys. He's saying his friends, okay, his family, when those people like, they're like, what happened to you, Suman? And
yeah,
if 3 months can do that, right, that's change. Okay, old version, new version, it's a big change. Yeah. And his
yes,
family is realizing that. So,
I would like to share my screenshots also in the group WhatsApp group. If it really
really,
it is going to
wow.
really helpful to you guys. Yes, guys, we have to do something new in our life. We have to do
चल,
something.
चल, सही है. Okay, nice talking to you, Sumant. Okay, keep
Yeah,
inspiring, and this group and all the other groups and whatever you're doing. I think you created that channel of sharing that knowledge and all. So
yes,
keep doing it. You are amazing, and this kind of fire the world needs to see, and that's where you'll create history. Okay,
yes,
awesome stuff,
yes,
Sumant. Keep going, man. And
Yes,
yes, he is in Delhi right now. Yeah, क्या हैदराबाद भी आ रहे हो, right?
yes, bro.
सही है,
Yes,
सही है.
yes,
सही है, सही है. Back to the land. Nice, nice, nice. ठीक है.
yes,
So take care,
yes.
यार. You're traveling and a lot, so be careful about all these things.
Sure, definitely. Thank you so much, and thank you so